It's your boy, JOHHABRAHAM. We back. We back.
1 hour. 1 fucking hour. 1 hour. 45 minutes. 30 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. So in that 1 hour, I need to do this paper. Oh, come on. What's wrong now? Why is my keyboard not working? Why can't I change the description? What the fuck? Whoa, what the fuck? The freak? Freak? Friggity figgity. Hello, bro. Hebrew. Oh, this guy. Dakota Beauty. What the fuck is this? Just a minute, I think. So I got 1 hour to prepare to do a question paper in math, and I'm trying to do it. But the thing is, I can't change my description. Why can't I change my description? Okay, now I can. Oh, I got scared there for a bit. Save. No, don't delete. Determine the integral using partial fractions. Okay, fast. Fast, can I do this or not? integral 4 by x cubed plus 4x dx using partial fraction. What was it? What was partial fractions exactly? Was the a, but how do I do that here? What's the next step though? Why is my hands sweating? Why? I don't know. My hands are sweating. I cannot adopt the product rule here. No. Has one simple real 0 at x equals 0 and one simple complex 0 for x square plus 4 equals 0. A by you split what did you do here? A by x plus bx plus c by x. What is this part? X square minus 4 equals a x square plus 4 plus b x plus c x. Replace this with this, but again, bx plus c. What sense does it make though? Minus 1 by x plus 2x by x squared plus 4. Hey, Mustafa. Hi. Hello. Just a minute. Turn on the fan because I'm starting to sweat. I don't want to be sweaty. Ain't nobody want to be sweating. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. What's up, bro? I could do split this. Bro, what are you doing? Why are you solving math sheet? I'm solving math sheet because I have an exam coming up, and the more I know, the better it is. So if I could do this, a by x squared plus b by 4 dx. Where are you from? Your accent doesn't sound Indian. Well, I am from India, and my accent not sounding Indian. Maybe it's because I use English more than usual. I don't know. I don't get the part where your accent doesn't sound Indian. Are you expecting something like this? Was that? I did not make to make fun. Okay, I did not mean to make fun. I was just asking. Did you expect that? Were you expecting that? A by x square plus b by 4 dfx. How do I do this? I forgot. I forgot. 4a plus b x square by... That's addition though. That's not given... That's not what I want though. That's not what I wanted though. And I really don't want to follow this solution because this one looks even weird. Can you tell me some info about you? Well, right now I'm gonna attend my right now I'm on my 4th semester and I'm redoing my 2nd semester. Basically, it's like it's been 2 years since I started studying, but I'm still completing my 1st year courses. And Monday I have a math exam coming up. I'm doing bachelor's in biochemistry. Is that info about me? Yes, I'm doing bachelor's in biochemistry, and Monday I got an exam coming up. And looks like I don't know shit. Looks like I'm very less intelligent to know enough. Cause what is this? This is not how I remember partial fractions work. You split this, okay? Then you separate the... What is this? A by x plus x... Okay. bx plus c. Where is this thing? Oh, you removed it on the outside? No, did not do that. What did you exactly do? Okay. Oh, that was the first question, but still. There's one there. If there is, this one is there in the question paper I've submitted. So, what was the question? It was about determine the integral using partial fractions. Determine the integral using partial fractions. X squared minus 4 divided by 15 minutes? No. No, 15 minutes? That's not how time should work. Hi, do you have your calculus exam? Hello, Infinity. Yes, I do have a math exam coming up on Monday. And looks like I don't know shit. Factor the denominators, yeah. Term is irreducible quadratic. Me too. Yo, that's good. You have your exam on Monday. Oh, me too. And I cannot use the weekends because I got work coming up. So within today, I gotta. Digiro, keep on going, man. Respect. Set up the partial fraction. And an irreducible quadratic factor. Every day is an evidence for your effort. Yeah, appreciate that. Integration by parts and everything. My book is of Thomas. I don't know what my book is of right now. I'm just gonna refer some question papers and pray to Lord. Pray to Lord and Savior, please let me pass. Nah. I pass if I have enough knowledge. If I don't pass, that means I need to improve on myself. That's it. But x squared plus 4 to set up. Wait. This is the denominator. No, numerator. Okay, we're talking the numerator. May we both pass with gray marks. Yes. And the important thing is practice. I need to practice more. I set myself for 1 hour. Like I have to do this paper in 1 hour. Looks like does not look good. Solve for constants a and b. Okay, I did not understand this step. I didn't get this step. What? Like, I understand the denominator being separated like the partial fraction one, but the numerator with a, then b, x, and c, I don't get it. Also, where's the x squared minus 4? The step you're asking about follows a specific rule in algebra designed to break down complex fractions into simpler ones. Since the exam instructions require a whole procedural solution, understanding the logic, the thing behind this setup is essential. Here's the explanation for the parts that were confusing. Y a for the first part and b of x plus c for the second. The rule of partial fractions depend on the degree of the factor. Oh, okay, I don't need to wait. I don't want to hear too many words. This is the goal of the equation. Think of this setup like a puzzle where the final result and you are trying to find the pieces A, B, and C that create it. So you convert this into this, but why would you? Okay, let's say you could just put B instead of B plus C. What's with that? if this is the case, why not just A and B? Why bx, shut up, bx plus c? Whoa, what? The reason you use instead of b is based on fundamental rule of partial fraction decomposition. The numerator always must be 1 degree lower than the denominator to account for all possible mathematical outcomes. The numerator must always be 1 degree lower. So the denominator here is 2. The degree is 2. Linear denominator. Since the highest power is 1, the numerator is degree 0. Expression a constant, that's why we use a. Quadratic denominator. Since the highest power is 2, the numerator must be degree 1. Expression a linear term. The general degree 1 expression is written as bx plus c. If you only used b, you would be assuming that x term in that specific numerator is 0. X term in that specific numerator is 0. While it's possible for b to end up being 0 after you solve it, you cannot assume that from the start. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna read too much. I'm just gonna try that way. I don't know if it's gonna make sense. Let me see. But I cannot waste time like that. I got 1 hour. How is this gonna help though? My last exam was of Python and it went bad. Now I cannot even focus on calculus. I'm not going to disturb you. You have started studying. That's the main step, so good luck. Well, I'm sorry about on the Python part. My last exam was organic and thermo. Organic, I fucked up. Organic chemistry, I saw the paper and I was like, this is not what I learned. This is not what I was preparing for. And it fucked up just like your Python. And yep, now I gotta focus on math. The thing is, what sometimes when I see some problems where the solution or the way to solution is just something that you just have to know. It's not like how it happens. Yeah, some of these solutions are like you can't just figure it out during the exam. You need to know how this specific question is being solved. That's so weird. Like, what's the point of then math? You should be able to do it on your own. Which I fucking hate. I fucking hate when some problems has a specific way to solve. At least a specific way to solve which solves it faster. Yeah, I gotta say it like that or else. Oh, actually. Or someone is gonna come up on the chat and be like, oh, actually, you can solve math any way you want, okay? It's not like one way. What? Yes, like the teacher doesn't even teach us that way and they give it in the exam, but yeah, haha. Like right now, I was doing partial fraction with the normal one. I just came across a question that does this, and I was like, oh, what the fuck is this? But hey, I'm glad I have notebook LM. Right now I'm using notebook LM. Looks like it got the answers. It is pretty accurate. That's good. But the worst thing is you never know from which part onwards AI is hallucinating. You never know. Just keeps on going. At first it looks like it knows everything. Yes. But at some point brother's gonna start getting high. AI is gonna take a hit of that. It's gonna yap in the, like if I go deeper and deeper, it just hallucinates. In exercise 3. So is it for like university, high school? What's the deal? The exam? University, okay, the same way, same case. So what you do, fam? What did you do? So I got to here. The statements. 30 minutes, god damn it! I'm still on one question. And it's been 30 minutes. Brain. Understand. X squared minus 4. A raised. Yeah, I got to here. Okay, you solved it. I did not solve it. Okay. Now you group the terms in the power of x, okay, by comparing the left and right sides. See if x equals 0? Oh, it's now, okay. Oh, you compared it like this. I do feel like I'm a really stupid person. But hey, sometimes it takes a really intelligent person to say they're stupid. No, no. It takes a really average person to admit they're stupid. Okay. Oh, whoa, what the fuck? What the? So, I need to go from here. What did you do? Ax square plus bx square plus 4ax plus cx equals x square minus 4. A plus b x square plus x common 4a plus c. What? We got the x square, yeah. But the cx, okay, I get that's been 0, but again, the 4ax, how is that 0? How is that? Is it gonna even make sense when I substitute it? I don't know. That looks pretty good. That looks much better than I thought. 1 by x square. It's x raised to minus 2, right? Yeah. X raised to minus 2 in terms of integration. We gonna wait, derivation das. I IT ITA addition add minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by x 1 by x plus 4 separate how did you get it like this? I got cx plus 4a. No, I got 4ax. X squared cx. Yo, that's my mistake. My bad. My bad. My bad. There's no x here. Well, what made me do that? My bad. My bad. If this is the case here, I'm fucked. I see it. There's this. This one's that fucked me up. Damn. Damn. That's it? That's it. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm doing good. All right. 2 by dx. Okay. The first term, I got it. Oh, it's minus 1 by x. Okay. Then you use substitution method. Ah. Okay. I was like, how the fuck you do this? Substitution. U equals x squared plus 4 2x dx. We still got x though. How do you do it now? Can I consider x as a constant? Like what do you mean? What do you do? Did I fumble again? I did fumble again. I keep on fumbling. Was 2x. Ah, she. My bad, fam. My bad. Okay. Boom, boom. 1 by u du equals. Ain't gonna lie, that's a good one though. That is a good one. That is a good one. That is a good one. Okay, you did not convert it to the final form, but yeah, whatever. Whatevers. Oh no, what is this? Given a vector equals 2 minus 1 5 b vector. Vibe. Can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah. Is that what you going for? Is that what you were? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Is that what you were going for? So now it's time for some matrices. I did not know we got matrices. But hey, we do. Not just one. Not just 2. 3. It's already 45 minutes. Why is time flying so fast? Like time is going like... Oh, I missed this one. I'll do that last. So, given A, B, B, find A cross B, B cross A. Matrices are interesting, but you should study determinants first. What do you mean by determinants? My brain is not coming up with what exactly is determinants. What is determinants? Single number calculated from square grid of numbers. Oh, okay. Determinant of A. Oh, okay, okay, no, no. Oh, I remember doing these. Damn. I forgot. Yeah, you cross, then you add. You multiply, then you subtract. That's a 2 by 2 matrix. What if it's a 3 by 3 matrix? It gets even hard. Matrices are good compared to integration. Bro. Bro. Matrix. I did not know we got matrix. I thought it was first semester. Haha. Is it like the movie Matrix? Like Keanu Reeves? There are many properties. Yeah. It's starting to my neurons started to connect with that older memories with the matrices. There was a lot. It's been a long. I can feel that it's been a long time since I touched math. Area of a parallelogram defined by cross product of A and B. For the matrices A and B given by, okay. Compute their matrix transposes and matrix product. Determine if the matrix B has an inverse where B is given by bleh. The task is only to determine if the matrix has an inverse, not to find the inverse. That's like, bro, wait. Why do you care if I find the inverse? First question, how do you do it? So you wrote it like this, okay? A cross B. A2, B3, minus A2, A3, B2, A3, B2, pom, pom. Then A3, B1, minus A1, B3, okay? Then A1, B2, minus A1, A2, B1, okay. Then you get the value, and from that value, oh wait, that's the product, okay. Now the other way around, okay. So if it's negative, oh, okay. It does not matter if it's negative. Area of the parallelogram is given by definite. Hola, amigo. Elo Margot Centeno Salar. What? Elva Margot Centeno Salar. Hola. Hola. Absolute value of A cross B. So what you do is you take the root of a square. Hola, por favor. Mucho gracias. Hello. Hello. Turn the radio. Hola. Hola, ñali kuruvi. Ilang party la di. What do you mean by this tea? What is this tea though? Yo, Vibov, do you know what this tea is? I guess Vibov left to Goon. Well, yeah. Hola. Hola. 6, 7, 2. And B cross A. Mm. Four. 4 minus 30. Minus 20. 6. 14 minus 6. 8. Why did I get the wrong answer? A3B1. Okay, that's how it should go. First it go like this. Then it go upwards. That's weird. Why would you go like that? I thought it was... A1, B2. It's again downwards. Downwards, upwards. Yo, Bauduela, you just said... Is it the N-word if I think about it? No. Nigesh is a name. It is a name because I've seen a politician in my country say the exact same thing where Don't try to play with me, Nagesh. It's very bad. It's a name. Damn. Bauduela. That was good. That was good. Good wordplay. So at first it goes down. The second it goes up, then it goes down again. You know what? Whatever math says, I'm not gonna go into the deep because whenever I go deeper into a lot of these subjects, it just makes sense. So right now I don't have time to go deep. Usually I go deep. Okay, I'll do it again. Two minus 1, 5. 6, 2. So it starts from bebe. Then it goes from 5 times 6, 2 times 2. Then it goes down again. So 2 times 7 minus minus 37. 30 minus 4, 26. 14 plus 6, 20. Got son. Lobi. Sinuyom. Hey bro, you live? Yes. Yes. Yes I am. Me live. How was your day? Not enough. And exam preparation going well. I still have a lot to learn, so but I'm satisfied. I would say I'm satisfied. Now I need to get B cross A. How about you? How was your day? 1 hour? That's not good. I gotta change the title now. Because this is not... It should have been 1 hour. Kinda boring? Yeah. Understandable. Your exams are near. Oh. Yeah, exams are weird. Do I hate exams? No. But do I like exams? Exams is like it's like that. It's like that girl you hook up with on an afternoon. No, I did not say that. It's like, do you like her? Do you hate her? No. Do you like her? Yeah. No, that was a joke. I never hooked up with anyone. But you understand the feeling, right? Exams are like X. You can fully be there, but you can never be away. Nah, you can be away from your ex. You can be away. But yeah, I get what you mean. I get what you mean. Nah, nah, bro. You got. I mean, I don't know. I'm not. I'm not always thinking about my ex. Maybe after a long time, I think you should forget. Or a normal person should forget. Brr. 7 times 5 minus. Brr. Brr. Psh, wait, psh, psh. What if she was the most precious still? Yo, you gotta stop, bro. Who gives a skitty about X? X is like over. Why would you give a shit about that? So 7 times 5, 30. No, 35. 35 plus 35 plus 2, 37. 4 minus 30 minus 26. 6, 7. How much is 6, 7? How did 6, 7 come? It should not come. It's minus 1. So minus 6 minus 14. Minus 6 minus 14 minus 20. So basically minus of A cross B. Area of the parallelogram. Don't you get bored? Do I get bored of what? Studying? Is that the question? So I'm guessing you're asking about studying. No. I wouldn't say I get bored. I mean, there are boring parts, but some parts are really interesting. Some parts that relates to real world examples. Like, what did I hear recently? I heard math, the matrices in math is used, this thing, matrices in math is what you use to find the location and stuff. I don't exactly remember the details, but that was like, yo, so what I'm doing right now is what is also related to real task in the real world. Yes. Oh, that's cool. Area of the parallelogram. It's A cross B, right? Definite value of A cross B. How many cameras have you set up for it? This one for the system. This one, my laptop camera. This one, my phone camera. Those two are the cameras. Nobody asked about my setup. Thank you. Thank you for noticing. Sure, bro. Appreciate that, gang. Appreciate that. 30. I felt miserable, but hey, that was true. Nobody asked me about my setup. 37 square plus minus 26 square plus minus 20 square. Where's my top notch top of the world, Mr. World. No, where's Mr. Worldwide? Yo, just a minute, cause my Mr. Worldwide is not here. Hey yo, I can't do without Mr. Worldwide. No way. Where did I keep Mr. Worldwide? Mr. Worldwide. I'm looking for Mr. Worldwide. Where is he? No, I cannot lose such a thing. No. Mr. Worldwide. What is it? It's a calculator, god damn it. I gotta use digital one now. I mean, those are also digital, but come on. $49.4467. 44, 49 point. Yeah, this one sucks. Yep. Getting smooth with 6-7. I'm always smooth. I'm always smooth. Smooth with the 6-7. I hate 6-7, not gonna lie. I hate the meme. Like, ooh. Did I get the answers right? Yep. For the matrices A and B given by blah blah. So this is 2 by 3 matrix. Bleh. Shawshank Redemption or Shutter Island. Not gonna lie, I haven't seen both of them. I know Shawshank Redemption, Shawshank Redemption. Shawshank Redemption. I know it's a really good movie because the rating is 9.3. Shutter Island. That's 8.2. I haven't seen both of them. I know Shawshank Redemption is something related to prison escape or something. Bro, hi. Hello, hello. Yay, that one. Just from the rating, I gotta go Shawshank Redemption. ये क्या हो रहा है? I'm guessing ये क्या हो रही है? That's what you meant, right? यहाँ मैं मैथ एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो. I know, bro. He's asking what's going on. Yes. ये क्या हो रही है भाई साहब? यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं हो रही है. मैं मैथ एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ रहे हो भाई साहब. आप क्या कही? आप बेस्ट ऑफ लक ब्रो. रिस्पेक्ट. आप क्या कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? What do you do? What did you do here? Compute their matrix transpose and the matrix product. So when I go for product, well, why is it like this? Transpose is time pass कर रही हो. Oh, okay. Time pass. Bye. Time pass. That's not a good reason, but hey, respect. I'm from the land of the spice. The land of the spice. Can you guess? आपको guess करने आपको guess करने बहुत no. आप Bangladesh, you are actually kind of, it's a country nearing Bangladesh, but Hassan, cos A plus sin A equals 1. What is the value of A? Yo! Cos A plus sin A equals 1. What is, which degree of, which angle results in cos and sine value A? 90? farts. Yo, Clone Open Commander, what's up? How we doing? Fuck, my Hindi is not very good at the moment. I used to watch a lot of Doraemon back in the day, but right now I'm not doing good. Clone Open Commander, how is it going? A Friday evening. It's Independence Day? Yo. Whenever I hear whenever I hear USA, there's one song that comes to my mind. Lord help me, I can't change. July 4th? Is that the Independence Day? Mm-hmm. Fireworks, yep. We gotta make sure nature is suffering. Hell yeah. There's no celebration without suffering and pain and pollution. Let's go. A equals 2, 1, 3, 4, 0, minus 3. And A transpose? A transpose, B transpose. What's life without pain and suffering? Damn. Damn, son. I did not expect that. What is life without pain and suffering? What is life without pain and suffering? You're right. You're right, but when the temperature is getting higher, it is kind of painful. Like the last week, pain and suffering makes it more valuable. I understand that, but last week, here it was 40 degrees Celsius. That's not normal. How does it happen? How does the temperature keeps on increasing every summer? The aftermath of pain and suffering is what we enjoy. I, I understand where you're coming from, but come on, man. We can't just be ignorant and say, yo, there's no happiness without pain. Download. Mm-hmm. Yo, I get that, but come on. Can do differentiate, yeah. What if we integrate? Do you see a question with matrix? I need you to show me the answers to that one and explain to me How it works. Explain it to me. Some parts that I don't know. Yep, I can see that. But hey, hey. Clone Open Commander, I don't know if you're still here, so it's gonna be a free day tomorrow, right? No classes and stuff. I mean, it's a Saturday. Saturday is usually free. 10 p.m. Oh. I want you to focus on what? This one. Oh man. I'm thinking, should I sleep? Because I got work tomorrow. If I. Oh, that's another thing. I cannot just sleep on my own, especially in the nighttime. That's the worst thing. Like, if I want to sleep, I want to sleep just like that. But I can't. There's a comprehensive exam that is significant. Shut the fuck up. I don't care what type of exam it is. I just. Vectors and cross products. I got this one. I need this matrix transpose and multiplication. Bro, take care. I have to sleep early here too. The library gets full in seconds in our academy. Okay, I understand that, but how sleep and library related? But hey, respect for checking out the stream. You are required to find the transpose and compute the matrix product. Matrix invertibility. Determine if the following matrix has an inverse. Oh, okay, so. Oh, okay, so you gotta sleep early to wake up early for the job that starts early. Understand. Respect. Respect. I also have work tomorrow. Understandable. But it's a part time job, but hey. Love from Pakistan. Hey yo, we're neighbors. Respect. What? Why is it not pasted? I kind of forgot. Which two by three matrix? Take the first row and write it as the first column. So okay. What? fuck did you do here? Square matrix given matrix B. First row becomes the first column. Okay, okay, that's how you make it, it transpose the matrix. Okay, so that's the first one. And there we go. I found it. I found it. One day or day one. One day or day one. Oh, that's the shit. One day or day one. Somebody used to chat. Hamo Shorts official. क्या कह रहे हो? यहाँ मैं मैथ एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो भाई. कैसा हो भाई? Hamo Shorts. How we doing? Which exam? Math exam. It's like a basic math exam. CA कर रहे हो. CA कर रहे हो. CA कर रहे हो. I did not understand that one, but CA कर रहे हो. क्या कर रहे हो? What? Is my Hindi? I don't think I understand a little bit of Hindi. Well, calculus कर रहे हो. Is that what it is? सही है भाई. Calculus. What is this? What it is? Cross product, specifically for vectors. Oh, CA. Okay, chartered accountant. Chartered accountant कर रहे हो? नहीं. मुझे एक एग्ज़ाम के लिए यूनिवर्सिटी का एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो. लेकिन I think this might also a chartered accountant might also have to do some of these. Maybe, I'm not sure. The result is always another vector. This new vector is special. the dot product, matrix product, your sources using dot notation, or simply write the matrix side by side to indicate standard multiplication. For vectors, while not explicitly written, कुछ समझ ना आई मुझ सा समझ लेना. कुछ समझ ना आई मुझ सा समझ लेना. मुझे सभी समझने के आ गया भाई साहब. आपको रिपीट 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 रिपीट. Vectors, while not explicitly, result is a scalar, a singular number, not a vector. Why you are overreacting? Oh. Am I overreacting? No. No. Yo. Did I overreact? If I overreact, you're not looking cool? No. Bro, please tell me I'm looking cool, bro. Bro, don't tell me I'm not looking cool. Yo, please, bro. Please, bro. Please. Please tell me I'm looking cool, bro. Please, bro. Okay, so if I understand, the dot product and cross product is different. For dot product, it gives us a single answer. Laughing emoji. Does that mean I'm cool? I don't understand. Why? This is not the scalar answer. This is a matrix. But in my question paper, there is a question. There's a question with what? A 2 by 3 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix, and they are asking for the dot product, and the answer is also a matrix. So matrix, so that kinda contradicts what you just said on the dot product being scalar. I hate autocorrect. Fuck autocorrect.
Fuck. Fuck.
You are right to notice that notation. The confusion comes from the symbol used in the exam paper. What the fuck you yapping, bro? You yapping. -6. Okay, you got it right. Okay, so you have the answer. Can you tell me how is the terms multiplied? Okay, you have the correct answer. Can you let me know how is the terms in the matrix multiplied to get the new answer? Because I forgot. Why do I have to mention that to an AI? Because I wanna mention that I'm a fucking stupid guy. Using row 1 of A. That's the row? Okay. This is the column, this is the row. Okay, okay. Plus. Oh, it's row by column. Uh-huh. Minus 6. Top right entry. Top left. Mm, mm, mm. COLOUMs. How long was it going on? 1 hour 39 minutes? That's not too long. Damn. Did I just did I just turn off my system? I just did. From France. Ugh. No, fuck that. Somebody just used the chat right now. Damn, these books are really expensive. Why are these books so expensive? बस कर और कितना फरोगे बस कर नहीं भाई साहब नहीं बस करूँगा I mean I will stop in a bit though. I'm really curious on what the 9 kit. Let's see if I search kit what I'm gonna get. We got some ready to use products. How much is this product? Beginner's kit. 59 to 120, that's okay, that's pretty cheap. Transform bacteria with Cas9, guide RNA and DNA repair template. Target a specific genomic location using guide RNA. Students, biohackers, science educators, and anyone who's wondering how. Agar Media. Sigma Aldrich, that should be a German. CRISPR integration kit. 487 euro. What is this? Cas9 gRNA. What is this? Integration provides an essential genome editing reagents necessary to integrate the BSN1 restriction site to the human KRAS locus. This kit is intended to serve as a tool to evaluate cell lines. Yo, can you just buy this? Can you just buy this? I'm really curious. That's interesting. Hamo Shorts official. Ice Purple crying. You're crying, bro? What happened? Why you crying, dog? Three. नहीं अच्छा था गाना. नहीं अच्छा था गाना. Gana अच्छा था. Gana means song, right? Gana अच्छा था. Did I sing in between? Oh. धन्यवाद भाई साहब, धन्यवाद. Let's see how fast I can calculate in my mind. 1 times -4, -4, -2, -6, 0, -6. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 6, 13. 0, 4, 12, 16. -8, -8. 4, -6, -12. Please tell me it's correct. It is correct. Matrix product. I got the matrix product. I need to save more space. -6, 13. Come on, I need to save a lot of space. Determine if the matrix B has an inverse where B is given by... The task is only to determine if the matrix has an inverse, not to find the inverse. Okay. Asking me to check. I know there's autocorrection. How do I stop autocorrection? Customize number. No, no, no. In the context of your exam, a matrix, inverse matrix, is a special matrix that's when multiplied by the original matrix B results in the identity matrix I. You can think of it as a matrix equivalent of a reciprocal in regular arithmetic, like how 5 times 1 by 5 equals 1. The fundamental rule used throughout your sources is the square matrix has an inverse if only if its determinant is non-zero. If the determinant is non-zero, matrix is invertible. If the determinant is zero, matrix is singular. It has no inverse. $153 subs. That's cool. That is cool. You know what? I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna wake up early, please. I did not wake up early last time, but I need to wake up early this time. What is my motivation? I can do this question paper, and I can repeat all the other question papers that I already did. Yep. What was the last part of this question? You find the determinant of B . Stop autocorrecting. Stop doing that. Determinant of A is A11 times AD minus BC. A22 B2. Somebody again wrote something in the chat saying, why Mr. Hi. Oh, hi, Mr. Hi, Mr. Cracketum. Hello. Hello. Iftihad Ahmed. Hello. Hello, Mr. Iftihad Ahmed. Oh, if I take this, boom, boom. Yeah, okay. B3, C2, C3. Minus A2. Plus A3 B1 B2 by C1 C2. The tablet is showing its age. Yo, when you use emojis, I can't see those emojis. All I'm seeing is, what is it? Face blue smiling? What? Your face is blue and smiling? What did you do to your face, man? Determinant of B equals that's 0, bro. That's it. Since you have calculated the determinant and found it to be 1, you have already completed the most difficult part of the task. Because the determinant is not 0, you can now provide the final conclusion required for your exam. B is invertible, so B is invertible if determinant of B is not equal to 0. This is the fundamental, okay. Therefore, B is not invertible. What am I doing? I'm preparing for my exam. Math exam coming up. Fuck. So, even if they ask me to find the inverse, I can't, right? Yes. Okay. Let me know if I had to find the inverse. How do I do it? Aggregate matrix method, whole procedure solution. Determinant, okay. So it's basically transpose. I'll get it. Hi, I am Mr. Beast. If you smile, I will pay you $0. Yo, I don't think you need to pay me for me to smile. I can smile if you tell me a good joke. What do you say? That's a good exchange, right? When would B inverse equals BT? However, the inverse is not simply... The fuck you mean it's not simply transpose? Now, what was changing now? It's just flipping the rows and columns. Look at the mirror. Okay. That's a good one. That's a good one. Why are you making it even weird? So now transpose is not exactly adjacent. To get it, you don't just flip the original matrix. You first have to transform every single number into a cofactor. Okay. Why are they different from your matrix? Let's look at the very first number, the matrix B, from your exam. In transpose BT, the top left says 2. In adjacent, you must calculate the cofactor of that spot. You hide its row and column and solve it. The top list of the adjugate is 0. So can you show me the adjugate? Differmis. Okay, that's not same. Why did Crackathumb get kicked out of the library? Because he was caught cracking under pressure and he was doing it way too loudly for the chat to handle. I was cracking. I was crackalacking. You see that's what made me the name. Crackathumb. Good one. He was caught cracking under pressure. Cracking. I never crack under pressure. I never get angry. I never crash out. On God, I never crash out. Okay, I think I'm done with the adjacent. I feel like adjugate. Well, if Had Ahmed, I guess you are the last one standing. I'm gonna end the stream because I gotta sleep and wake up early. Respect for checking out the stream.
Respect. Peace.